Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video. So in this video, I have an Arista chassis. This is a big chassis. This is a 7508N. And let me show you the chassis just in case you are not familiar with that. Is this guy right here. So the idea is upgrade the operating system, but also synchronize the operating system with the standby supervisor. So we are basically preparing the chassis, in order to upgrade that. We need to make sure that the primary supervisor is reachable, so we have access to that. And after that, copy the operating system from my TFTP server. Well, we need to assign some IP parameters to the master supervisor, and then from there copy the operating system, and then just synchronize the operating system to the standby supervisor. So let me show you how to execute that. So that's the switch, enable, show version, show boot config. So basically that's the operating system right now on the unit, right? This one right here. So basically we are upgrading, to 3 different releases. So let's check also if we need to make sure that we have enough space on the boot flash in order to transfer the operating system. Let's check here on the management supervisor, on the primary. Let's check the other one, dir mmt flash, right there. That's the command to verify. That's basically just one operating system. So now let's copy everything. Let's make sure that we can back it up, of copy all the running configuration. Copy running config to backup 3, enter. Also, you need to make sure that you have a copy of the operating system in case of corruption. Sometimes happened to me before, and something, if that happens, the operating system will be corrupted, the unit will not boot, so you need to execute a different, a recovery mechanism. But in this case, let's assign the IP parameters. Interface management 0, IP address 192.168.0.178-24. Let's assign the IP default route 0.0.0.0 slash 0. Default gateway 192.168.0.1. Enter. Exit from here. Let's write the configuration. Let's check if we have connectivity. There we go. So now let's copy the operating system. So copy, SSP Carlos at 192.168.0.102 bar dash leave.tftp boot, and the operating system name, paste to flash, enter. Okay, let's wait until the operating system is complete, and one is there. We are going to install the operating system, and that will start with this standby supervisor first, and after that will be a reload, and after that we're going to check if the operating system is synchronized in both supervisor. Let's wait. So as you can see, the copy was complete. So let's install the operating system. Install source, the operating system name, paste, reload. So that will install the operating system first on the supervisor, right? And after that, let's check something else. Show redundancy status. So you need to make sure that you are on the primary supervisor, of course. Now let's install the operating system. Install source, the operating system name, reload, enter. And this will take a few minutes. So let's wait until all the transfer is complete. There we go. Preparing the new boot config, copy the new software image to standby supervisor. Okay. So let's wait until all this process is complete. Probably you know need to upgrade some FPGA and all the kind of stuff. So let's wait. So as we can see right here, the process is almost complete. Let's just confirm the reload, enter, and let's wait until you know the unit boot completely boot. So the unit is booting the new operating system. Look at that, booting, starting a new kernel, right? And also detect that it's a different file and is saving the image to MMT flash. Let's wait. So look the EEPROM upgrade that is happening right now. So in this moment, it's always recommend don't power off the unit because it's not something happens, you know, with the operating system. Rebooting supervisor after the upgrade. Let's double check. Let's wait. So guys, the you know the unit already reboot and the upgrade process was successful, complete. Let's double check. Admin show version. So that's the operating system that we upgrade, right? So show platform, show models. So right there we have basically, you know, this is the supervisor one. This is the standby supervisor. Two different line cards, 36 port, 100 gig. This one support different count speed, 10, 25, 40, 50, and 100 gig. This particular line card right here, two of them, and six fabric switch. And also we have six fabric switch and six power supply. Let's only check. Show inventory. Show redundancy status. There we go. Show system environment. Oh, there we go. Six power supply right here. So that's basically, guys, how did you basically upgrade your operating system, but also synchronize the EOS image, you know, with the standby supervisor. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you so much.